Okay, let's go. Oh, why can I not? Okay, all right. Edit. Guys, we're gonna get the chat up soon. Hold on. Oh, okay. All right, we have chat back up. Okay. All right. Let's get our. Yo. Okay. Unzip. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go to Chrome extensions. Yes, so here is where, yo, what's up, Nemo? How you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? We're making my 24/7 chatbot. I mean, not my video editor right now. So this is gonna be awesome. What you want to see this time? Okay, so I did the refresh. What to do now? I did the refresh. Time to. Where's my screen? Where's my screen? Okay, I pressed refresh. Can you walk us through the advantages of this? Yes, so my goal is to create the #1 platform for tutorials. I love teaching people how to use software. And so if you look on my YouTube channel, this one currently, you can see the different type of topics that I cover. And then I will have my new software rolling out. So this is kind of, you're catching it at the perfect time. This is the pre-hype. But, so what you'll see, here, I'll send you guys the link to the, what my software can already produce. And these videos are gonna be going live very shortly. So honestly, we're gonna be taking over the entirety of YouTube with this, because right now my software is able to produce about 180 of these per day. So we're definitely gonna, and it's gonna be available to the public. You know, we're gonna be able to have anyone create tutorial videos using this software. But I made a sample video right there. And yeah, you should be able to see how it's used, and you can kind of see why my stuff is better. Okay, I refreshed it. Okay, start recording. Okay, so right now we're gonna record another tutorial, just a very simple one. And yeah, it will show you how it works. So we're gonna go here, Bobby. So how to create a Google Drive, a Google document. Yo, what's up guys? New to the stream. How we doing? How we doing? Doc. Okay, whatever. Google Docs. Okay, so you basically just press start recording. Bada bing, bada boom. And then what you do here, boom, Google Docs, create a doc. This is me typing in my new Google Doc. Boom. Done recording. Export the bundle. And then we'll go download. Okay, let's see if it worked. Okay, I just made one. Saved it in the download folder. There are a lot of extra clicks, so we need to make sure that we narrow to the right one. Could you create software? Yes, I do create software. That is what I do. That is what I do. I do create software. So yeah, I'm basically just making a Chrome extension that can be linked to what I have. And then it's basically just gonna make new, yeah, anyone's gonna be able to use my software to create how-to videos like this.
Want a professional website for your local service business in under 10 minutes? Learn how to build one with Claude using a single prompt. First, we'll set up Claude with the right prompt and design file.
So as you can see, this is like a really good video. So yeah, I mean, I could create basically any type of software. What I'm super focused on right now is using vibe coding to solve editing. This is like my main thing. But so right now I'm still building this. Okay, let's check to see what it did. Okay, it's not ready yet. Okay. No, I mean any software, like if you have an interface idea. No, I mean any software. If you have an interface, could you do that? Oh, I see what you're saying. So basically like if you had an idea, or not me, just someone had an idea, could they do that? Yeah, I mean, you got to think of a lot of things though, right? You got to think about infrastructure. You have to think about, you know, management of the software. You got to think about hosting. You got to think about storage. You got to think about authentications, things like that. There's a lot to think about, but yeah, of course, you can definitely use AI to create anything. And I think we'll be very surprised in about like 3 or 4 years. AI is going to be doing a lot of stuff, and vibe coding, I don't think will even be a thing. You know, I'm pretty sure that, you know, there's going to be such a plentiful amount of software that the amount of vibe coders will be very small. So that's kind of what my thoughts are. Okay, so no, that's a good question though. That's a great question. Okay, so I'm going to look at this right now. Narrow to click. Works by design is face next. Blah, 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 blah. For Australia. Okay. Yep. Build that out, and we should be going. Wow. Can you prompt my other computer so that I heard a prompt my other computer so that we render the video? Yeah, so coding, vibe coding, very different, but honestly kind of similar. Coding is just manually typing out code. and that, you know, is able to manifest itself in, you know, different iterations, right? Like if, let's just say you have different types of OSs that read different type of code, right? You have HTML for the web, you have like React for iOS. I think a lot of iOS stuff is built on React. And then, yeah, you can, actually, sorry, you're asking the difference between coding and vibe coding. I'm kind of explaining what coding is, but vibe coding is just using an AI agent like Claude to write code for you. And code is basically ones and zeros, some numbers that tell computer hardware what to display, just like base level. Like that's so minor. The only difference is that vibe coding and regular coding is that you have a AI agent that writes code for you. So again, guys, welcome to the stream. What we're doing right now is we're building out my 24/7 video editor. Boys, this is gonna be crazy. I'm telling you. You guys are gonna see some stuff that the world has never seen before. If you guys are interested, I have an unlisted video on my account that will be posted later today. That's gonna have, this is basically the quality of video that I'm gonna be pushing out. I'm gonna be pushing about 100 videos of these a day, all run by my 24/7 video editor. So it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. All right, Nemo, what else are you interested in? Yeah, coding and vibe coding, same end, but the way to get there is different. AI writes it versus you write it yourself. Both are essential for the future, but the fact, you know, needing to write every line of code is just not gonna be a thing in the future. Okay. Double guide, pipeline code. Okay, maybe we should start another thing here. All right. Let's get ready. No, we're building a main, dog. Let's get ready to have my chat use the software to interact with Bobby. Plan this out. Sick stuff. Come on, guys. What else do we want to talk about? Fable just extended, which is pretty freaking awesome. Fable is included till July 19th, so I got 9 days to be absolutely cooking. We're gonna be making hella new software all day, every day. It's gonna be awesome. Yo, Nemo, would you ever be interested in trying the software out? Because that's what I'm gonna have this do. I'm wondering if you would ever be interested. You gotta go? Oh yeah, no problem. I'll hit the like and the subscribe. Yes, sir, dude. I will be live every day. So definitely catch up with the stream when you're back. I'll be here. You know, this channel's going to the freaking moon. Okay, let's see. Yes, Nemo, the boy or girl or they. I appreciate you. Okay, we're still building. Okay, yes, I'm assuming that means you'll be using my software in the future. And plus, you will be able to earn money for the amount that you build on my platform. So that'd be great. Okay, we're still going. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm a dude, LOL. Dog, you never know, man. I do appreciate the drop in though. All right, see me tomorrow. I'll see you guys. Who else is in the chat? Come on, hit me up. Let's do something. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm making a Chrome extension that's gonna plug in directly to my 24/7 video editor. So what we do is we take things like this, right? We take a documentation with a slight video, and what we do is we take all of these screenshots and the descriptions of each click, and then we put that into my software and we create new videos like the one that I have linked in the chat. So that's pretty cool. And that's what we do very well. We do that probably the best, I think, out of all video editing softwares. I mean, yeah, if you guys got a software that does something like this, dude, please tell me, because I do not see one. Okay, guys, we're gonna make a post on my Instagram. So get ready for the camera, boys. Okay, that was a great photo. That was an amazing photo, guys. Very awesome. Okay, we're gonna put the link here. Hello, friend. YVS. Hello. How are you? How are you? I'm very thankful that you came in here. Would love to chat. Building a... Hola, amigo. Hola, amigo. Building a 24/7 video editor live. Okay, we're putting this on our story. Let's go. I'm good. What about me? Dude, I'm vibe coding, so this is a great day. Any day I'm vibe coding, I'm doing awesome. YVS, if you're interested in what I do, I'll show you. You basically are able to take with my software, you're able to make a piece of documentation like this, where it teaches you how to build a website with Claude. And then I recorded all of these steps, or I documented all these steps, and then I put it in my software, and then it pumps out something like this. So it's a autonomous video editor. Pretty freaking cool. Honestly, doing some crazy stuff that I've only dreamed of. So yeah, we do AI video edits. Super freaking awesome. It's some of the craziest things you have ever seen. I don't think anyone has seen anything as crazy, but maybe you have. Yo, new people in the stream. What is good? Crazy. You seem like a very passionate guy. Oh my goodness. You should see me when I have a full night's of sleep. I am insane. But yeah, dude, I love Sorry, I can call you dude. My friend. I love vibe coding. I've been I was a product manager in a past life, and I just fell in love with the engineering side of the business, but I just didn't have that much of experience in like coding. But once AI came out, oh my goodness, I'm telling you, I've been living in AI, and I love building. I love building. So this is the thing that I built. You're really gonna see this channel pop. Like this channel that I'm on, I have a couple other channels, but I'm basically vibe coding the content on this channel, and you'll see something crazy is gonna be happening from this. Um, and I'm so excited, as you can see. I love what I do. And yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna start streaming because I all I want to do is promote what I built. Um, so yeah, I mean, thank you for coming out, being along for the ride. Eventually, everyone in chat will be able to use my software, and dude, it's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get crazy. But um, but yeah, I mean, this is like some years and years and years of knowledge. I basically studied everything except for software engineering. Um, but now with AI, I'm able to execute as well as um, build like marketing strategies and operational strategies. Um, okay, so let's read this. So this is for how you guys are going to be using it. Just be disciplined. Yeah, no, for sure. I do have to be disciplined. Absolutely. Thank you for that piece of advice. Um, Thank you for believing in me. That's huge. That's everything that I need. I just need I just need people to believe in me, and I promise you'll see this stream and this whole thing uh, going to the freaking moon, and I'm excited. How far does the plan go with before chat members are actually using it? Plan all of it. And nope, 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 nope. Okay, we're gonna go with that. How should chat members authenticate to Bobby? Okay, there should be a submission gate that they can submit zip files through. That goes to me, and I can review it as people submit in. Yo, let's go. 5 viewers. This is big. This is big. How we doing? How we doing? Building the 24/7 video editor. Guys, you're gonna see some crazy stuff happen. And dude, oh, let's go. 6 viewers. Let's go. This is huge. This is huge. Where are you guys coming from? Are you guys coming from my Instagram? No, I don't think so. Only one person saw that story. You guys are just coming in. What's good? Okay, so right now we're building a Chrome extension that's going to work directly into the software, the video editor software. So what it does is it takes documentation and turns it into video. You can see the YouTube video in the chat. Should ChatGPT be bought by claiming to allow freeform cachers? Freeform allow, freeform only for only. Hello, Giza. What does that mean, Giza? Who's the Giza? I ain't no Giza. What does that mean, Giza? Oh, dude, come on, man. We can't be playing this type of music, bro. Yo, looks good. Dun, 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 dun. I'll make my own. The operator protocol. Yo, what? You can't just drop a chat and not chat again, brother. Who, what does hello Giza mean? Are you guys interested in what I'm building? Does anyone care? I'm building a Chrome extension. And the Chrome extension creates videos for me. Why don't you stream in shorts? I mean, there's more chance to get views. You know what? Dude, you're so right. You're so right. How do you stream in shorts? Da, 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 da. Okay, I just gotta edit it in my control room. Dun, dun, dun. How does this work? How do I do this? How do I do this? Edit. Monetization. Clear. Dun, 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 dun. How do I make it live in shorts? That's a great suggestion. I am going to have to find out how to do that though. How do I stream allow my YouTube stream to be available in shorts? Okay, how we doing? How we doing? Oh no, we're losing viewers, guys. That's all right. That's all right. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I see. So I have to stream vertically. Okay, okay, hold on. Could be cooking. The old one looks more catchy. Are you serious? You think? Nah. I like my new one though. You think? You think my old one? I don't know. I don't know. We might have a debate because I think that my new one looks much better. You don't like this? I feel like that's sick. That's all good though. It's all good. Okay, how are we gonna stream? Dun, dun, dun. Nah, man, it looks like a 5-minute crafts. Yeah, but like I got yo, Hexua try hard with AI. Yo, I'm new here. Yeah, but the thing is, right? Okay, you got to think about this. So I have like, you should see. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look together. Let's look together. All right. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. So I have 9.1 thousand videos on my channel, and these are all tutorials. Also, Hex, you would try hard with AI. What's good? So you have to think about like, I post about 100 videos a day. How am I gonna get to be able to use the same photo or the same thumbnail for every single one of my videos, right? This is the problem I have to solve. So I have to make like a reusable thumbnail template like this to be able to create like all this stuff. Because I do post about like 100 videos a day. And that in itself is pretty difficult. And yeah, I mean, I could make these, but like, dude, I'm not gonna make 100 of those a day. These are good. I think these are fine. No? Can we get an L in the chat for how bad they are? Sir, you're finding quantity over quality. For me, it's always quality over quantity. Yes, very true, 100%. But the thing is, the quality is in my videos. These. So you gotta view this as like a standalone, right? So let's look at one of my more popular ones. Okay. Here, how to connect GitHub to Claude. All right, so we're gonna open this up from a brand new browser, youtube.com. So how to connect Claude to GitHub, right? Boom, boom, boom. So like this is who I'm competing with. Yo, I'm like right here. And also this is my AI avatar. So I'm actually building, I basically have like an AI influencer that kind of does my stuff for me. But right, like this is what, you know, my thumbnails are doing. So yeah, I mean, it's not like perfect, but I mean, it gets the job done. You know, the goal is to rank in search, and this is kind of who I'm competing with. So I think I'm doing a decent job. Mine is better than all these guys. But yeah, the quality is inside the video. And yeah, so that's kind of what I do. This guy's ass. I don't know who that is, but they don't do it like me. But yeah, the thing is like, so I have 9,000 videos. They might not look like they get a lot of views, but if you actually look into it, if you actually look into my stats, we do about 14K views a day. No, we do more than that. Am I crazy? We do more than that. Hold on, let me check my stats. Okay, yeah, we do about 14K views a day. But if I didn't find the vibe with your thumbnails, why would I click on it and watch it? Like, if you watch the most popular video thumbnails, it has a class, man. Yeah, no, that's fair. That's fair. But again, if you think about what kind of videos I do, mine are very so like I've shifted, right? You can really tell that I've shifted my 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 strategy to make these like longer videos to now making very instructional content, right? So this is should just say how to connect GitHub to Claude. So that's kind of my thing, right? I just do very straightforward content where I don't have to create like really nice graphics and things to get clicks. So I think mine is less about like getting high clicks, but getting really good user satisfaction on my videos, because all of my videos are very, very good, and the content is strong. So if you watch it as a class, man, yeah, I mean, these are, I mean, yeah, these are these are great, but my goal is to answer as many questions as possible, rather than just trying to make a good video with high click through. Does that make sense? Are we kind of on the same page there? Okay, let's check on my app real quick. Guys, if you're new here, I am making a 24/7 video editor. And what it does is it takes documentation like this, and it creates videos like this. I'm gonna put it here, bada bing. YVS Edits hates my thumbnail, so maybe that's something I gotta work on in the future. But that's kind of what my software does. And my team, where we make all of these videos, are going to be using these and start pushing more of these videos. Is there a way that I can allow the short streams now? But people would prefer Google Chat over a 3-minute video to know something and ask about it. Yeah, that is true. They would have it, but what ChatGPT has been starting to do, and I've been seeing the traffic, it's gonna be able to. It's not going to be able to actually use the apps just yet, but there's going to be a lot of people who want to see real people using the app and recording themselves. So I don't think that I will be replaced that soon. Maybe in the future, but that's kind of what I'm live streaming, right? So I can help you guys do that. And nah, man, I don't hate it. I just didn't find it catchy. It's like if you should add some salt on it. Yeah, actually, that's dude, I don't take anything personally. Like, you guys can roast the crap out of me. Like, there's 2 viewers besides YVS that are absolutely just ghosting. They're not really saying anything in the chat. But yeah, feel free to roast me as much as you want. Let's see. No, is there a way that I can change my current live stream to a new format? Okay. You said for Google ChatGPT overviewing a 3-minute video. Yeah, I mean, we're going to be covering much harder topics as well. And to read an output from ChatGPT is almost less productive. You can make a 3-minute long short. Why are people making a video about it if people nowadays are in a hurry? Yeah, no, that's super true. And that's kind of where what I want to do. I want to cut the line. I want to make them, how I want to show them how to build a website with Claude. So I have 18 steps and we're narrowing it down to a 2-minute video or 3-minute video. How sick is that? And it's a super catchy video as well. It's not, right? It's freaking sick. We're making how to make a full website in a 3-minute video. Dude, come on. Dude, that's what I'm saying. We need to make people stop yapping and just show real work. That's kind of the goal. That's one of the big goals. And when I do have my other, this thing that I'm working on right now, which is the Chrome extension, you guys all will be able to play with it. And then you can make videos like the one that I linked in here. You just will have to make something like this, which is just basically showing every single step on how to do something. So there's no way you can get this kind of, there's no way that you can get this kind of information from ChatGPT. We go from Claude to this random website, then we go to Claude Design, and then we go to Google, we recreate hero photos. Dude, there's so much content in here. Man, I create shorts and there's nothing am getting views. I'm not really comparing us, but it's reality. Dude, let's look at your channel. I'm super down. Let's just check it out. I think you could be pretty cool. Let's see what you can do. Let's see what you do. Okay, you make, what is this, sports edits? Okay. This is, what's that sport called? Cricket, right? That's cool. That's really cool. Yeah, you do get views. Wow, awesome, man. This is sick. Good for you. You do get a lot of shorts views. But yeah, I mean, the monetization, I'm sure, is going to be pretty tough with that. It's not, it's not that easy, or it's not that profitable to make content that's not educational. Educational content makes the most on YouTube. But good job, dude. Keep it up. Get those edits in, and yeah, you're gonna be doing good stuff in the future, for sure. Yeah, absolutely. And it's been a month. Wow, dude, that's crazy. Good job. Super cool. Super cool. Have you tried vibe coding at all? What's your process to make videos? Oh my goodness. Going crazy. Okay. Okay, no, let's just render this on this computer. Yeah, man, I agree. Your content should not be free. No. So it's all gonna be free. That's the thing. And people like YouTube will pay me for it. Like giving 2 hours a day to it. Yeah, dude. I mean, brother, if you're getting like views and stuff, just keep at it. It's fun, like just have fun. Get some. Okay, there's this thing that I'm thinking about, right? It's called social capital. All right, everyone, put your tinfoil hats on. This is what I think um, is going to be super important in the future, is having social capital. So what that means, so capital, right, can be referred to as like money for business, right, or things or money that you can invest into business. What I think is going to be more important, because businesses may or may not lose value in the future, that what is really needed to run businesses and make money is social capital. So having clout, having platforms. Well, sorry if I crossed my boundary. No, no, YVS, don't even worry. Like, brother, I'm good. I'm good. Like, I I'm good. You don't, just say whatever you want. Chat as much as you want. Don't feel bad about anything. That's crazy. I would be, yeah. Anyway, social capital. Having social capital to invest into businesses will be able to propel businesses into the future, and that's what I'm building here. I want to be able to build some social capital and a community of like-minded people that we can then, um, we can then propel business into the future. Does that make sense? Social capital. That's why I think building YouTube channels super good, no matter what the niche. Okay, back on it here. Okay, we're rendering this thing. Okay, we made that thing here. Okay, blah blah blah. The quick fix us. Is there a way that I can? What if you're antisocial? Great question, Stefan. That's an awesome question. Do what I do. Dude, I hated being on camera. That's why I'm wearing sunglasses. But anyway, I created this fully faceless YouTube channel. Like, look on my YouTube channel. My face does not show up. And it's pushing 300,000 views a month in 6 months, because I locked in and I started making videos. You don't have to have your face on it. As long as your content is good, people will watch it. For real. I'm improving my editing skill. For these kind of edits, people pay around $1,000 per short. I mean, it's like $10 per short. Yeah, no, dude, that's pretty huge. I don't think that's how much they pay, but I mean, if that's what they do pay, that's crazy. It's not bad. That's not bad. I've seen crazy RPMs that are so ugly. But Stefan, yes, make good content. Or you gotta find people that can make content, and then like you have to find the best way to support them. Build tools to support people that make content. That's why I just think content creation is going to be so important in the future. And if anybody thinks that like it hasn't gotten, or it's like peaked, these people are wrong. It just hasn't peaked. We just haven't seen the full impact of it yet. Okay. Can dual stream on both. So the other stream sees my vert and there is a landscape version, question mark. Stefan, did that answer your question? Did I answer your question? Let me know, please. All right, guys. What else are we feeling? How else are we feeling? Do you guys have any other questions? Like where I see AI going, what my favorite AI softwares are. I'm happy to talk about those type of things. Okay, done. Oh, bada bing. Oh, yo, can you open it for me? Okay, one sec. I'll be back, guys. I have to pee. Don't leave. Please don't leave. Also, leave a like, please. Oh no, I lost a viewer. Oh no. It's okay. We're back. We're back. Okay. What are we doing? What are we doing here? It should open, be playing in QuickTime.
Start by clicking the New button, usually found on the left side of the Google Drive interface. Then, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Google Docs to create a new document.
Yes, let's go. We made it. It works. All right. All right. Who wants to try this out? Someone, is there any free AI softwares like which give you feature like ChatGPT?
Or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment.
If you guys want to try my software out, you can. Free AI software. Oof. Honestly, I would start going to DeepSeek. DeepSeek is pretty cheap. It is Chinese, but that's, that's for your own. If you want to use Chinese software or not, that's up to you. I personally use a lot of DeepSeek, so. But I would start on Notebook LM. That's like my favorite software to use if at a cheap budget. But look, guys, this chat's gonna be hella interactive very soon, because now my Chrome extension can create a video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it works. It actually freaking works, guys. Let's go. Should I do some push-ups? I feel like I gotta do some push-ups because that was so sick. Okay, I'm gonna push this down. Hopefully I don't do anything too weird. Okay, I'm gonna push this down. Okay, let's do some push-ups. Can you see me? Oh. Am I visible? Yeah, okay, push-ups. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. This is for Bobby. This is for my software. Rate my push-up form. Okay. Just a couple push-ups, just for the boys. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. But my president have, what do you mean? What president? Oh no, my stream is lagging. Okay. Oh, with DeepSeek? Yeah, dude, low key. Low key. Low key, low key. Dude, low key. Dude, low key. Okay, my stream is still good. My stream is still good. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I would try anything like Google related. Google has pretty good software for quite cheap. Okay. Whew. That was a good push-up session. Okay. Okay, now that we're able to get software working so that anybody can make software using my computer called Bobby. If anyone wants access, just drop a yes in the chat and you can try it out. Okay. Dun, dun. Okay. Should be playing QuickTime. Okay. Okay, this is working. This is gonna be, holy moly, 43 minutes, guys. How long have I been in this field? I've only been like coding for like maybe a year, but I've been doing marketing for about like 5 years or 5 to 7 years, and yeah, so it's been a while. Making software not too long, but dude, you saw the types of edits that my software makes, so you can do a lot if you focus. Dude, why is it saying I only have 2 viewers? Sad. Okay, let's see. We're still going. We're still going. We're still going. Okay, I think I have to close some tabs. My computer is absolutely dying right now. Okay. I can close preview. Yes. Quit. Okay. So I am gonna be okay, 45 minutes of coding for my coding bot. Still going, still going. Okay, it works. What to know about, sir? Goodbye. I'll be within your touch. Okay, yeah, dude. Stop by again whenever you got some time. You're gonna see this stream going to the moon. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna continue to vibe until I can't vibe anymore. It's okay. It works. Is there anything that I can continue to do? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Okay, so we're gonna continue to make more. We're gonna continue to make more. Do more work. Okay, it should be playing. Blah, blah, blah. Wow, I can't believe I actually was able to create the Chrome extension. That is huge for us. That's huge for us. You sip a CLI, he's running a create a grade, memory card. Now, no code. Make sure you're improving it's a system. Okay, everything was far. Everything so far was that, next build. Do a real 15-step tutorial. Okay. Okay. One thing that we want to build is to be able to edit the recording and the steps before we export to zip. Yo, what's up? What's up? We got more viewers. Hello. Hello. I am, what I'm doing, thank you for joining, is I am making a 24/7 video editor. So very shortly, you all will be able to interact with my video editor, which is just a computer, and be able to create videos like this. I'll send a link in chat. Bada bing, bada boom. Right there. You'll be able to make videos just like this. When you submit a documentation form, kind of looks like this. And you're able to make a video on like how to build a website with Claude. And that's the video that I made there. As you can see, it's a very complex process. It's about 18 steps using 3 different softwares. So that's the reason that we're doing so much. I mean, yeah, that's the reason that we're building this, is to be the best tutorial place on the planet. And yeah, eventually you all will have access and put your own tutorials on my platform. So super excited for that. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a question in there. I'm still building, but I will be building as I talk to you guys. Come on, we got two people in here. I know someone got questions. Someone's got questions for me. Someone's got questions for me. Okay, let's check. Let's look at some things. Okay. I'm gonna create a poll here. Would you try my software? Question mark. Okay, that's the right next feature. It says quick metadata, not video processing. It's untrimmed recording per step. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah. Okay. Yes, but make sure that you understand what I'm building in the other chat. Thank you. You always got to say thank you to Claude, guys. Very important. Actually, you know what? let's say, do you say thank you to Claude? Live chat. Okay. Do you guys say thank you to Claude when he or they write code for you? Do you? No, people didn't like that. People left. Yes, we're gonna say yes. We do try your software. And then, okay. Let's see. Losing viewers. Okay. Let's see. What are we doing? We're making more things. If you want to see the work that my software does, it's in here. This is the types of stuff that my software creates and edits for me. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. It turns documentation just like this into full-fledged videos. Okay. You know what? Let's okay, 1 chat equals 10 push-ups. Okay. Okay. We're gonna change the text on my screen to say 1 chat equals, okay, 5 push-ups. 5 push-ups. Okay, there we go. All right, now you guys have to chat. Now you guys have to chat. Full, oh my goodness. Okay, you gotta do some push-ups. Okay. I'm gonna do more push-ups later. Maybe I'll wait till like we get like 50. It's like 10 chats. All right, Gerard, how are you doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? Let's see. Let's see. The snippet's too thin. Chat integration. Okay, so now we're thinking about integration. What do we have to think about next? We have to think about how. Oh yeah, we can edit it. Okay, that makes sense. What else can we build? Okay, you know what we have to figure out? Okay, where are the temp files that are being created, being hosted? Are they on the user's PC, or how does that work? Guys, we're using Fable for everything. Oh no, I'm talking about the screen share and the screen capture and documentation. Is that on users' computers or not? Okay, this one's done. Okay. Okay, this is the payoff. This is the major payoff. Okay, so the Bobby extension was built. Store peak memory, pop-up warns past 10 minutes. I'll tolerate. Capture graphs. Okay, what she built? Smoke down the server. Has never run a real Chrome. Confirm the browser. Drive upload to from the real submit page. Oh, okay. Okay, let's ask it to explain a little bit more. You explain a little more what has been built and what the functionality looks like with links and stuff. Okay. Okay, awesome. Sweet, sweet, sweet. We got one viewer in here. Why aren't you chatting? Why aren't you chatting, one viewer? Okay, okay. Vibe coding live. Okay. We're vibe coding. We're vibe coding. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Download, upload at summit/submit. Okay. 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 So we're basically, you guys will download a Chrome extension, and then you can submit your recorder. You drop in Discord. Okay. Your review inbox. When you open the command center as an admin, chat submissions, selection appears. Okay. Da da da. Okay. Okay. It's never been run. Read me. What do you think about Blythe AI? It's a generative media platform. Okay. Why don't we check it out? Thank you for doing this. We're going to start up the push-up counter. Oh, I've seen this before. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. I think that these people are going to be competing with the big boys, so they better be ready to compete. Yeah, I mean, I think that what they're doing is pretty awesome. Like, you know, creating text and images, but that takes a lot of compute. A lot of compute. So they're gonna have to run data centers all day, every day. But yeah, I mean, the more content they can create, the better. But I think that there's going to be a major market for AI infused content creation, like the platform that I have, where it's human knowledge plus AI processing and heavy lifting to then be distributed out well. I think that's going to be the most important thing, is a human within the loop. What do you think about that? Huh? What do you think about that? Okay. Yes, so human infused. I think that's what's most important. Okay. Chat integration. Okay, a chat member goes to your submit page and submits it. The gate is enforced. Okay. Yes. Yes. Let's make a new. I am right. Yes, you're damn right. I'm right. All right. Since you are so kind and you gave me 2 messages, I will do 10 push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2. Okay, I did a little extra. Awesome, awesome. Oh no, we lost a viewer because I did push-ups. Okay. Let's see. Yo, Yusuf, did you check out my channel? Did you see how what kind of videos that I make? Mine is very AI infused with human, so that's why I think I will succeed, because we are AI infused. Okay. I'm still gonna be able to look at this though. Recording everything, app submit. Okay, yes, let's make a new Git, and then let's prepare to connect my Vercel. Guys, what do we think about my idea? I'm checking now. Yeah, I would actually look at this specific video. I would look at this one because this is what my new software does. So I was able to submit this documentation right here. It's about 18 steps for how to create a website with Claude. So as you can see, I had all this human work, and I had AI just process it and make it really fun. So I would check that out. That's pretty awesome. Yusuf, again, thank you for interacting. That means the world to me. Okay, where are we? Okay, UX. When I hit stop, okay, so that's working on the UX. This is working on, committing everything. Okay, we're committing. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Do you publish video on your channel using automation? Seems like new videos. Oh, so actually my team is working on my channel right now. I have about 8 people on the team. So that is probably what you're seeing. Again, as you know, my whole thing, the core of what I believe for how YouTube will work is that things will have to be AI infused. But humans will have to run the program. So I do have people working right now. Yes, great work, team. Dude, honestly, I should put some of these. I should tell my team to jump into the chat, dude. Low key. Actually, we're gonna let them work. We don't want to distract them. They're doing good. All right, Yusuf, you got any other questions for me, my guy? Thank you for interacting. Yes, allow. Typecraft review. Okay, we're good there. Heads up from the session. Okay, yep, we don't want to overwrite that. Let me cover one of the two robots package JSON is mine before committing. Heads up from screen recording with click capture. Heads up from the session. 2 things. Ingest. Okay. So now it's checking to make sure that we can continue to upload my code to the cloud. Okay. My other pictures are built into the chat. Okay, flow stop recording. Okay, let's try to make another video. Okay, we're gonna do a super simple one. Is how to select. So we're gonna, okay, let's test this out. Let's test this out. Okay, we've reloaded. Okay. So, okay. How to create a, Jerry, you're on the right track. I appreciate you. Thank you, my friend. I will never, that's one thing for sure, is I will never give up on developing. I think that I'm onto something awesome, and I have something I want to share with the world. So I appreciate the kind messages. Okay, so how to create a Google slide deck. Google Slides. Okay, we're gonna start recording. Choose what to record, entire screen. Boom. Okay, open new tab. We're gonna go Drive. And then we're gonna go New Slides. And then we can start creating from a template. And then we can go boom. Insert all slides. And then boom, stop recording. Oh my gosh, dude, look at this, look at this. Let's go. So what we just did is we recorded this full session. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then we documented it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go. I'm developing an app too. It features recipes from world cuisines for families or couples who struggle to decide on what to have for dinner. Set up your own meal plan and start a voting process. It's fun. I'll be sending out for testing in a few days. Yes, dude, please send it to me. That sounds awesome. I will happily test it live on stream. So yeah, you keep on developing, man. Like, heck yeah, let's go. I love that. I love that. Okay, navigate to the Google Slides or to the Google Drive homepage. And then click on New. Click on Google Slides. Okay, wait, let's see what 9.7 is. Okay, select Google Slides, navigate. Okay, we're gonna go select the template that you would like to use. Okay, navigate. What is this? This is at 14 seconds. So let's go here. What we're doing at 14 seconds. Okay, okay, this one is scroll through the templates that are offered. $23 seconds, what we're doing at 23. 23. When do we insert? About 27. Okay. Review the templates. And then now we can do click insert all slides to fill your presentation. Okay, awesome. Okay, and then we're gonna export the bundle. Okay, okay. We're cooking. We're cooking. Okay, looks like it's actually no, this is the wrong chat. Push PR. Oh wait, no, back. Push straight to main. Nah, we just push that to main, brothers. We're gonna be pushing that to main. We ain't stopping. Private repo and push. Yep, absolutely. Definitely not. Oh wait. GitHub remote. It's sitting on top here. 14. Executing both and create private extension repo. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Okay, so we're pushing that to main. The review for export. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, it's pushing. It's pushing. Work in progress was kept secret. Blah blah blah. Now writes excluded title override review, but my ingest doesn't honor it yet. Okay. Hit redeploy or just rerun once from the deployments tab. Post deploy check. Okay, but where is it? Where is it coming from? Where do I upload my zip? Okay, yeah. Does anyone else in chat have any vibe coded websites they'd like me to review? I would love to check it out if you guys got stuff. No one got anything. Okay, very cool. And we lost some viewers. Nice. Okay, no upload needed. Just tell me where the zip landed. The public slash in your isn't live yet. Okay, it's still uncommitted to main, so nothing's deployed. Okay. Okay, so here, let's send this guy in here. Oh. Okay, so we're submitting. Bada bang. Okay, here is the zip. Okay, this is taking too long by Joshua. This is annotated by me. Post deploy check. Enter the code. This exercise is this actually what it is? What it's called? Okay, yeah, see, that doesn't work. That's not it. Loaded capture. And the submission gate. Okay, what are we working on here? Hold on, GitHub. Okay, let's send it to my GitHub. Okay, we're gonna go in here, repos. Copy. AI. When was the last deploy? What is this? Okay, that's fine. Okay. Welcome to the stream, you all. Whoever just joined, thank you for joining. We're making a 24/7 video editor. This is our goal, and this is what we're doing. We turn documentation into full-fledged videos. So that's pretty awesome. Yes. 2 votes. Okay, not bad. Okay, what else are we doing? Okay, rendering's underway. Okay, awesome. Okay, okay, render's underway. Log. Okay, and are we making sure that we're not editing the other apps, software's code? Just want to make sure we just use the other side and not edit anything. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay, so let's go through this. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, viewer activity, stream health. made a commit to the other side. Just check it for me, please. Thank you. Okay. 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 So now let's start doing more. Okay. Clean, committing 3 changes, yours, not mine. Okay, we're committing. Oh man, my ears. Maybe if I took off my sunglasses. Oh. Do I look crazy like this? Nah, that looks kind of normal. That looks kind of normal. Okay. Okay, let's continue this.
Tired of spending hours formatting slides from scratch? Learn how to create a complete Google slide deck in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to build a presentation using Google Slides built-in templates. Just follow these 5 simple steps. Start by clicking on the New button to create a new file. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Google Slides to open a new presentation.
Okay.
Now, you'll see a gallery of templates. Choose the one you'd like to use for your slides.
Oh, damn. This is good.
Templates and find the one that fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Insert All Slides to populate your presentation with the template slides. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. It's so good. Dude, I can't believe there's no one in here to like watch. My software is freaking amazing. It's fine. It's fine. People are gonna come. There are 2 implementations. We're going all in. Okay. Nope. Nope. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, chat integration. Guys, I'm telling you, this thing that we're building is insane. Like, oh my gosh. Angie Govander, 6866. Hey dude, continue pushing. You got this. Yes, I do got this. Thank you for the reminder though. Angie, if you're interested in what I'm doing, so what I'm doing is I'm creating a 24/7 video editing software. And honestly, we're about a week away from everybody being able to access the software and create videos like this. So I'm gonna copy paste this in here. So this video was completely generated by my software, as long as they submitted something like this, this thing right here. And yeah, I mean, it's completely generated or completely edited by my software, and that allows you to just build documentation and have good videos come out. So this is going to be available to everyone. I'm super excited. It's going to be super awesome. Like we already, yeah, I mean, we already made about 200 videos like these. So we're going to keep pushing. But also, you chatted, so I will do push-ups. Ugh. Maybe I'll do 10 because no one's been chatting. Okay, 10 push-ups. Pretty minor, pretty minor. But thank you, Angie Govender. I do extremely appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Okay, yeah, you guys do want to use the software. Okay, I'm seeing that a lot of people do want to use the software. So we're now going to make sure that it works. Okay, push extension, review fields to main ingest, verified, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Okay, main ingest canonical, let me verify. Okay, redoing. Okay, so basically, yeah, what we're doing is you submit a documentation and you get videos from it. Angie, I do appreciate that though. That was so nice. That was so nice. Let's go to channel. Yeah, no, I appreciate that. Okay, ingest canonical. Okay, chat integration, blah, blah, blah. Pipeline suspended. Screen recording. Chat submission gate arriving on the other end. A little bit of retiring that thing. Okay. Okay, so what it's asking me to do is that I have two conflicting chats open right now. So they're getting mad at each other. Okay, so let's see. What I'm gonna do is well specified and it matches the constraints. Okay, first constraints. Okay, so I'm gonna, yes, we can do that. I'm liking how this is working on this side. Yes. So a real long charge. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can do that. What are we going to do on this side? Okay. Ba, ba, da, ba. 3 concurrents. 6 was max. 3. Hello, new viewers. How are we doing? Let me know if you have questions on what I'm building. But if you do, my software makes these videos autonomously. So what we do is you submit something like this, which is a 18-step documentation, and then it pumps out good content for YouTube. So this is pretty awesome, and I'm building it live here for you all. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, if I could say so myself. Also, leave a like. Leave a like if you don't mind. I do appreciate those. Okay. 6, update the no steps, error warning. Okay. Port first. Owning the pipeline and the chat session. R lane is the capture experience. Submit to Bobby. Right now, the review screen ends in a zip download. Okay. It should offer submit right on the review screen. Put the bundle straight to drive. Okay. Iframe capture. Okay. Not mine. The real AB is a capture. Okay, I can do that. Hello, new viewers. Welcome. If you guys are interested in what I'm doing, I have some links in the chat. You can see the types of videos my AI editing software does do. Right now, I want to make it so that everyone can have access to it. We're going to make sure that I have a Chrome extension that is going to allow everybody to use the software. Okay, so I'm going to do something interesting. Submit to Bobby, blah, blah, blah. Repo has 0 commits. Are you sure? Is that right? Come on, guys, let's get some questions. Make me do some push-ups. Close it directly. You have 20 minutes. Well, I'm going to go ahead with 1. Yes, you can do that. Okay. Guys, what are we doing in here? Don't just lurk. Actually, I can't even be mad because that's what I do every time I enter a live stream. I just lurk. What do you actually mean by video editor? Thank you for the question. I appreciate it. So what I do, or what my AI software does, is it takes this documentation right here. As you can see, what are you actually building, sir? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let me answer both of those. So what we do, or what my software does, is it takes documentation like this. So I documented how to build a website with Claude, and then I filled out all 18 steps. Very complex, doing everything from finding the design to putting it into Claude, and then pumping out an actual tutorial. So then I put that in my software, and then it pushed out this guy. Let's go, 5 viewers or 7 viewers. Let's go, boy. Come on, come on. Let's get it, let's get it. And then it pushes out videos like that. Fire, fire videos, fire videos. Turning documentation into real documentations into real videos with everything. So that's what I'm building. Masam, thank you for the chat. Passion Record 7474, thank you for the chat. All right, we're going to be doing push-ups once we get more chats. Hope you guys are doing push-ups with me. Okay, let's see. We're still integrating here. Allow. Okay, add coverage. Good, good, good. Yes, and I may be paying in the future for people to record videos for the YouTube channel. So drop a 1 in the chat if you would ever join me and join the team to make videos. That would be fun. Yeah, it's probably gonna be you're gonna be able to earn up to like $300 a month. So yeah, that should be super fun. 24/7 video editor. Yeah, so it's 24/7 because it just runs all day, every day. It's my other computer that I have, and yeah, we can send as much documentation to it as we want to, and then it makes videos like the one that I sent. All right. Yep, go ahead with the submit button. Done the raw noise. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Now it works. So the Chrome extension that we built actually works. All right, give me a 1 in the chat. Understood. Passion record 7474 says, understood what you want to build. Let us give you ideas and help you in building. What's your time in your area? On week since 4 a.m. here and it's 5:30. I am in Los Angeles, California, so it is only 5:08. But yes, you guys can give me ideas, but we're gonna demo the product right now. Since we have 7 viewers, let's go drop a 1 in the chat if you're ready to see a full demo. Okay, so we're gonna go home. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you start off with the Bobby AI Chrome extension. You're gonna go boom. Okay, what do we want to do? Let's just do like a very simple tutorial. How to create put a 1 in the chat, baby. Let's go, operator protocol, let's go. How to create a slideshow with Google Slides. Okay, and then Google Slides, boom, boom, start recording. So then we start to record. Choose what to record. Okay, let's actually put this in full screen. We're gonna go entire screen here. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is open up a new tab. Then you wanna go to googledrive.google.com. Boom, perfect. Then you go there, then you press new. Okay, once you press new, then you go to Google Slides. And then you can either press presentation or template. So we're gonna go from a template. And then from here, we're gonna scroll through the templates, blah, blah, blah. And then let's just say we wanna build a lesson plan. What GPU do I have? I use a GeForce GTX 1660. Okay, and now we have the lesson plan. Bada bing, bada boom. We go back to Bobby and we stop it. All right, so now what it did was once I have the recording right here, okay, so we go, we have the recording, so we're gonna go to Google Drive. Yeah, we're gonna do cinematics, but that's a little bit in the future. Right now, we're really focused on making tutorials for people. We're gonna focus on making tutorial videos. Okay, let's see. We're gonna keep on going with VFX and other things. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do that. But right now we're focused on tutorials because I have a personal passion for teaching people how to use software. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So now it says at 9, it took me 9 seconds to start, and that is correct, it did. And we only start clicking new. Okay, so click new. Boom, it knew that I said click new. Boom, money. Then it navigates till 12. Okay. And then on 22, we click the template. Okay, let's go. Okay. Scroll through the templates. Okay. And then it says click on the template you want to use. Okay, we're cooking. Okay, and then we're gonna submit Joshua. Actually, we'll just download the zip. Actually, you know what? No, let's just download the zip for now. Eventually, you're just gonna be able to submit it directly. You're gonna submit it directly to Bobby, which is gonna be freaking awesome. But right now, we're just gonna do that. Okay, stick with me, you guys. I am going to, okay, stick with me. Okay. And then we're gonna process this guy. Okay, process this video. So it's gonna be going straight from the UI in the future, the one that you saw. And then it's going to create a video. So that's it. The video is created. We'll watch the video, and I think around 6 minutes is how long it takes for it to render. But it should have a tutorial at the level of the tutorials that I have. So in terms of how we're going to be using it as like a chat, as well as me, I'll have you guys submit stuff, and then I will pay you based on how good your tutorials are. So that should be super awesome and fun. Hope you guys all understood that. I hope that wasn't too cringe, and that was pretty interesting. Okay, it's going. Curative flags as started. Scroll through templates. Yes, submit it and then open it so me and the chat can watch it. Okay, what did you guys think about the process? How did you guys think it went? Do you think that was easy? Well, I guess we'll see with how good the video is, but it should be good. Okay, what's shipped here? Okay, they're both recorded. How to replace double tonight. Ready to run the live submit. Okay, submit pin on test. That's what opens up the gate. Blah, blah, blah. Nope. That's not good. Get pull. Okay. You push this to main, please. Fable. Sure, everything lines up. Okay, I got a chat. Sir, let me give you the prompt I used to get ideas. These are very good at giving ideas. Are the same prompt. Okay, yeah, give me the prompt. Let's see what it is. Let's see what that prompt is. Yo, passion record. Do you have any projects that I can review live on stream? That'd be pretty fun. You seem like quite the vibe coder yourself. Okay, guys, we got 5 people in here. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Live video renders. Video extra state. Submit it and open it. Wait, what? 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 What are you doing? Okay, we're just gonna close that. Yeah, I'm building stuff. I'm a student, 19 just off my weekly. Oh, damn. Yeah, no, that's so real. You really hate to see that. Can we get some Fs in the chat for Passion Records Claude usage? Because that is a major F. Can you explain in detail in short, like did you make a documentation yourself and what kind of video editing? It does an example. I missed the demo you were saying earlier. Can you explain in detail in short, like did you make the documentation yourself and what type of video editing it does? An example. I missed the demo you were saying earlier. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So I made the documentation myself. Here, I made this very in-depth thing on how to make a website with Claude with its 18 steps, as you can see. Very, very intense. This took about like 20 minutes to make. And then I put it into the software and then it made this video right here. So this is the kind of video that we make. This is the quality of video that we can make. To be honest, I can't show my best product because it's a website for a hospital and the client might get pissed off. I mean, you know, it is what it is, man. You don't have to do that. You don't have to show me your best. But yeah, if you want to show anything to the rest of the chat, you know, it's a great opportunity to get some marketing out there. But yeah, if you don't want to send anything, that's all good. If you kind of just want to keep looking at what I have, that's all good. But Mausam, take a look at that YouTube video. That's what is created when I use this documentation. But what I'm doing is I'm building a Chrome extension that can basically solve this issue, or that is able to make documentation like that. Okay, Bobby Capture, another block in the code. Okay, is the submit pin the same as the other one that I had? Don't leak it, but let me know and I'll use it because I had a submit pin before. Okay. Oh, is Google Slides working? What should you want? Nothing's been uploaded. What the? Dude, what? Okay. Chill out. Okay, we're gonna go to not Bobby Capture. We're gonna go to Bobby AI. Yo, can you process this video I made with the Chrome extension? Okay. Let's see. Create a slide here. Let me just drop this here. How can I not? Why is this trolling me? Okay, we're gonna test out the full thing. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I had app pin. Okay, submit pin. Submit pin. Okay, so we're gonna do that in Vercel. Vercel. Okay. You guys, what else do you guys want to see? Let's see. What else you guys want to see? Chrome extension. Let me set this. Okay, so it's doing that right now. Vercel. I have to set a pin in Vercel. Production. Bobby. Okay. Settings. Let's make environments. Nope. Development. Get functions, cron jobs. Where is? Oh, there's environment variables. Okay, let's see here. App pin, add environment variable. Value is okay. 001122. Okay, save. Okay. Okay, we're redeploying. Search has write a detailed CoStar prompt to generate 10 high risk for topics based on more and unique ideas. Okay, I would run that, but you need to give me, there's 2 variable fields right now, so yeah, so I'm not sure what you want me to do because it's not going to give good output. There's 2 variable fields. Oh, yeah. You feel okay, because chat has limit. I hope you understand what that means. Yeah, of course. Okay, let's try to see what my guy's prompt is. Okay, let's just run it on my repo. How we can use this to interact with chat. You know, we'll throw it into Fable just for you, my guy. Okay. So we're making ideas for how to make the software better. Okay. Let's see what's next. How to create a Google document. Valuable. Oh, no, that didn't work. Sir, no Fable. It'll be very expensive. Don't worry, my guy. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will use Fable. I will use Fable. Do not worry. I basically want it to... okay. Here is the software. Here's what we're doing.
Are you tired of searching for the new button every time you need it from Google Doc? Every time you need a Google Doc? Learn how to select 2 clicks to create one instantly. In this video, I'll show you the 2 simple steps to create a Google Doc. First, locate the new button, then choose Google Docs. Start by clicking the new button, which is usually located on the left side of the Google Drive interface. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Google Docs for your new document, and you'll be taken directly to the document editor.
Nice, nice, nice.
If you have any feedback or if any
Let's
info is
go.
missing,
Let's go. We did it. We did it, boys. We did it. Okay. So here is your result, my friend. Here is what it thinks that we should do. Okay, okay. This is not what I wanted. Okay. 6 ideas. Deduplicate ideas. Okay. Not that great. Discard anything violating constraint stated in ideas. Nah. Score survivors on impact and feasibility for solo devs. Some of them, nah. Return the top 10 as a ranked table. Close with sleepers. Dude, these are kind of cringe. These are not that good. Oh, these are the ideas. These are the ideas. Oh, I see. Okay, so what is it saying? Community engagement, gamification, and recognition. So shout outs for finished videos. Okay. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, that's not bad. Helping chat record better. Nah. Closing the feedback loop, which I've submitted. Okay, that's not bad. I can do this and this. Well, actually, this is actually just Discord. You know, this is not going to be, um, yeah, this is not, I should just make a Discord. Copilot, using the capture data itself in new ways. It's time for raw material. No. Doug, honestly, I'll be honest, these are not that good of um, suggestions. Growth and distribution. Nah, mid. Sir, this prompt which you executed was make a powerful searching ideas prompt. Oh, I see. Nah. Because it's like, okay, anybody can use that prompt to create something, but it's like the only software that people are gonna buy from me is the one that comes from my brain. You know, a lot of people think that maybe that's not thinking far enough in the future, where it's like, oh, AI is gonna do everything. But the thing is, if there's no, if AI can do everything, then what can AI not do, right? Like, where, if everyone can use AI to a certain extent, some people are going to use it differently and better. So yeah, hope that makes sense. What model will I use for the actual videos? So that's the thing. The only thing I use is DeepSeek to make the actual script. Then I use Gemini for the voiceover. So yeah, it's actually pretty lean. I'm pretty sure each video cost me about like, I think it's less than $1. Like, actually, no, not less than $1. I mean, less than 10 cents, I think. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Guys, if you're new, it seems like we're new here. If you want to see the output of what of my video editing software does, take a look at this link right here. This is the kind of output my software has. You can use a console to help you decide on ideas, and perhaps you can run market analysis to perform product market fit. Kaylin, yes, I agree. There is definitely product market fit for it. Yeah, for sure. Because if you look at my YouTube channel, I do about 300,000 views a month. So there's a lot of people that need the tutorials. See carefully, it's asking you to run the main prompt as 6 engines parallel. In your right brain, it's important. It is to give your brain faster ideas. Yeah, no, for sure. Absolutely. I think, though, the first idea has to come from within. I could be crazy thinking that. But I really believe that the first, like the origin of it, is going to be from your brain. So this one was from my brain as well. This Chrome extension into video editing. Should be 10 cents or less to be profitable? Yeah, it is. CoStar prompting technique is the most powerful prompting technique in the world, so I recommend. Okay, hold on. All right. Let's figure out what is CoStar. Context, objective, style, tone, audience, response. Oh, so you're saying make everything into CoStar prompts? But like, okay, I understand that, but it already has a lot of this solved, right? This is a good first prompt where you have to give context. You have to give the objective. You have to give a style, tone, and audience. And I think this is good, but it's almost like my IDE already understands context and everything within it. So I don't need this type of, yeah, okay. We're kind of on the same page there. I want to tell you that is the most powerful, so I recommend you use that. Yeah, you start for new projects. Yeah, absolutely. That makes a lot of sense. I think you're right. This is a very good way to use it. Good place to start off. So I think that you're onto something there. Um, yeah, absolutely. I think you're absolutely onto something. Okay, so are we gonna test this guy again? Okay, so let's test this. Um, okay. Am I ready to start testing the submission gate? Don't use Fable for that? Dude, don't even worry. Don't even worry, brother. Don't even worry. I got that max subscription. I got that max subscription. Don't even worry. I have the top of the top. We're going all in. We're going all in. All in, all in. We're going all in. Guys. Google Sheets, Google Docs. Oh, Google Calendar. Oh. Bada bing. Bada boom. Sir, I would recommend you to clone skills of Fable so that you use Fable in Sonnet 5 or Opus 4.8. Yeah. No, for sure. Yeah, except that I kind of already have my software built, so I don't have to. I don't have to. Like create that many more skills for my stuff. But yeah, creating skills in Fable and then moving it to run on Sonnet or Opus makes a lot of sense. What do you think about AIOS? Is it important for businesses to have it installed? Abso-freaking-lutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. It is going to be so important to have an AIOS. Guys, if we're not sure what AIOS is, think about your operating system as a whole, like Windows or Mac. That's what an AIOS is. It's like an operating system for your business. So you should be able to run your business through Claude. That's the goal, to run your business through Claude. And we will be able to do that. We will be able to do that, and it's going to be very important. So yes, good question. Good question. Learning how to build AIOSs. Yeah, it's good. It's good to learn. It's a good thing to try out, but you know, it's not super important. Okay. Okay, turn off Fable for this. I'm gonna go Mead. Are you sure? I upgraded to Pro. Okay, for some reason, this guy is not working with me right now. Well, crazy, I didn't know you already did. It's a great first step. I appreciate that. Yeah, no, it's so good. You definitely gotta build skills in Fable to run. Yeah, I lack in two things right now. Ha ha ha. First, I get pocket money of getting Cloud Pro and I don't have good hardware, only 6 GB VRAM. I want to run local models. Did you try GLM 5.5? I heard a lot about it. I didn't try GLM 5.5, but honestly, local models aren't worth it in my testing. They're not strong enough. There's too much um, there's too much massaging you have to do to really get it to work well. Um, yeah, what works better is what you described: is building with an API or building with a subscription and then moving it off to let it run in loops. That's the best way. It's not running local models is way too hard. It's not gonna get you there because right, yeah, you're thinking about it, right? You're kind of molding a local model, which is basically what Anthropic is doing. Yeah, see, it's gonna be good. I think in my opinion, local models will get better, and it will be the standard. But right now, it's not good enough. I don't know if you've tried it because I have. They're just not there yet. Yeah, yeah, for loop engineering for sure. Yeah, yeah, it's all going to be super important. But um, if you're trying to do like heavy vibe coding sessions, local models aren't going to do it. They just won't. They can run stuff, but they're never going to be able to like really code well. Yeah, yeah, it just will never be able to code well. Here you go. Yeah, no, for sure, for surely, for surely, for surely. Okay, where are we? I can't see it. It needs a fruit. Okay, here, Bobby. Okay, I gotta redeploy on Vercel. Vercel, redeploying. Okay. Okay, I just hit. Okay, let's see. Let me tell you why I like local models a lot. All right, let's have a discussion. Why do you like local models? I also no. Don't get me wrong though. I do like local models, but I don't think they're there yet. Your code documents data never leaves the machine. Privacy is a great aspect here. You work on aspects you don't want others to ever to know. Okay. Yeah, true, very true. But at the same time, what am I building that like freaking, engineers at like SpaceX are building? Why would they look at my code over theirs? Or, any like genius coder. So I'm not worried about that because what am I doing that they're not, I think I'm building something just as crazy, but Works without internet connection, costs the internet a lot of things if we have a lot of users. Yeah, you're talking about it. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really sure kind of what you're hinting at right now, because it's like, um, if it's like, okay, wait, hold on. Okay, okay, I just redeployed YouTube. Yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you. $1 billion company. Yes. I mean, I hope so, right? Um, thank you. I really do appreciate that passion record. Um, but yeah, I mean, wow, I'm so flustered. Oh my goodness. um, yeah, I mean, it's so my software does run locally, and it all it needs is an API to run it. And the better the software is, the less I'm gonna have AI run it. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have local models running, but to build, I need to have the Claude codes of the world to help me out, because those models are just better for building. Um, yeah, I mean, if my if my YouTube channel starts taking off, it's already doing pretty well. Um, yeah, the usage won't be that big of an issue. Um, next 18 months is going to be the easiest to become a billionaire. Dan Martell. Yeah, I agree. Billionaire, guys, billionaire is a lot. I think millionaire is a little bit more achievable for that. But yeah, maybe billion. Who knows? But honestly, if you guys keep coming back to this chat, you'll be able to see a guaranteed billionaire. Or you'll become a billionaire, is what I meant. Guaranteed, 100%. It's on the whole owns. Open the scope that owns it. Environments. Yeah, I mean, it's 0 employees. What's the company name? Someone got it? Can you tell me the company name? I'm interested. What is the name of the company? Going to launch my product named Zenetic soon in a few months. Yeah, dude, come back, show me the product. I'll definitely give you a review if you're ever interested. Okay. Okay, Bobby. Shoot list review. Awesome though, Zenetic. That's gonna be sweet. Okay. Yeah. It's ramp. Ramp. (2019) launched there. Oh wow. Yeah, but this is before um yeah, Bobby Fischer's a legend. Yeah, absolutely. Bobby Fischer's a legend. Um dude, that's cool, man. Yeah, Bobby, this is just my boy. Bobby's my boy. He makes videos for me and I am happy that he does. Okay, let's test this again. Let's do a new test. Here we go. Okay, test. Okay, so how to 5 push-ups? Okay, I'm gonna do a bunch of push-ups. You're right. You're right, mean too. You're right. Okay, how much we're gonna do? 20? All right, let's do 20. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy 20. Easy 20. That's the easiest 20 I've ever done. Come on. Oh, I'm not going all the way up. Oh my goodness. I can see my form. That is not good form. Oh well. Okay. Let's do one. Okay. How to create a slide. Okay. Now we got viewers. Can't even do one push through. You're strong. Nah. Bro, you really go for that. Yeah, of course I do, dog. Dude, I can do another like 40. Okay. Okay, we're actually, oh, I got hella more viewers. Okay, we're gonna do, actually no, we'll do push-ups after. Let's demo the product. All right, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome to the new viewers. We're gonna demo the product right now. I'm gonna show you from the start to the finish how this works. Okay, all right, let's get this started. So first thing you're gonna have to do is click the Bobby AI Chrome extension. Do I get tired? No, I never get tired. How to create a presentation in Google Slides. Software, Google Slides. Okay, we're gonna start recording it. Okay, we're gonna start recording entire screen, screen 1. Boom. Okay, so we're gonna open up a new one. We're gonna go to Drive, and then we're gonna click New. We're gonna scroll down to Google Sheets from a template. Good. We're gonna scroll through the templates. Okay, very good. We're gonna pick book report. So what am I doing is I am how to win friends report. Okay, then I go and I stop recording. Okay, now you can see that Bobby has captured the video, right? It plays. Look at that. So we captured the video, okay, and then now we redocument the steps. So how much VRAM do you have? I don't know, like 6. Okay, so navigate to Google Drive. Okay, so we're gonna redocument it. Okay, at 6, what we do is we press New, and we go to Google Sheets. Okay, good. So click New, And then, okay, this one, we can unselect this because we don't need this. And then start from a template. Okay, good, good. Then we navigate. Okay, what do we do at 15? Okay, we scroll through the templates at 15. So scroll through the templates. Yes, that's good that you have 6. What's your age? I do a 16. I have a 1660. Okay, click on the template you want to use. Okay, so we're still documenting what we recorded. And then navigate, and then now you can retitle the book report. And then okay, awesome. And now, wait, what the? Okay, Bobby, this is not in the plan. Bobby, what do I submit right here? Bobby, I have people waiting. I got 5 people. Can you automate this writing part? Yeah, I think. I don't know. I might not be able to. Okay, guys, while that's running, it's running. I want to show you that what kind of videos we do create. Oh my goodness, I have to scroll so far. These are the type of videos that we do create with this software. Once you saw all of that, we can basically go straight to making videos like this. Yo, who put no to wanting to try my software? That's crazy. Bro, what is this? What do you mean, what is this? Invite code, submit pin. Okay, Bobby, URL. Okay. Bada bing. Okay, submit. What? Okay. It's not working. Okay. What am I trying to do? So, okay, so you saw how I documented this. That makes a video like the one I linked here. But what I'm trying to do, so what I normally do is I use this tool called Double. But what I did today is I made my own Chrome extension that captures and makes the video. Yeah, I did work hard on it, but who cares if it's bad? It's fine if it's bad, but it's not bad. That's the thing. This is, if you look at the video, this is what it creates. Right now that how do I? Okay, it's paid. How do I check? Oh, I get it. Yeah, no, it's fine if you don't get it. That's perfectly fine. But that is what it does. And if you look at that video that I sent, that's basically that's the results that you get. That's what my AI editor does. I wonder how much we've posted today. to find my old chats. View all. Okay, yeah, we posted a lot of videos today. Posted about like 100 videos today. Very good. Very, very, very good. Okay, 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 okay. Let's go to Vercel. Right now, there's like a hold on my account for some reason. Bro, what? Duh. Look, it's fine. Will you create a SEO in the future? What do you mean? What do you mean, will you create an SEO in the future? I am an SEO. You look handsome guy. How's America right now? America's good, you know? I live in LA, so LA is freaking awesome. I do love LA. I'm from Hawaii, actually. What's good? Da 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 da. Yeah, no, my team makes those videos. My team makes those videos. But we all do it. Okay. Yeah, see, I knew this thing was stupid. Okay, I just had the wrong name. It's submitting. It's submitting. Oh, okay, it's reviewing. It's reviewing. It's reviewing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I saw your videos. I heard a lot of reason for Indians. I want to know about if it's reality. I am Indian. Brother, I am Indian too. Crazy lie. I mean, there's a lot of racism for everybody. I wouldn't say Indians is anything like crazy. Yeah, nothing out of the ordinary. I think social media makes things look so crazy. Yeah, that's fine. I have Google Translate on, so I can read what you're saying. It says, what time did you wake up? I woke up at 4 o'clock today. Yes, I woke up at 6 a.m. as well. So that's what I did. Oh, welcome. I got a bunch of new viewers. Yo, what's good? What's good, guys? How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? Yeah, 4 o'clock. What do you do? Oh, he's talking to the other person. Damn, I'm excluded from the conversation. Yeah, no, it's so real. I hate when we hit the limits. Freaking sucks. Guys, let's do some, let's get some likes in the live stream. Do it. If I get, let's see, how many are we at? How many likes are we at? How many likes are we at? We are at 9 likes. Okay, damn, you guys are chatting it up. Go cursor all at once. Damn, this is crazy. Oh gosh, dude, this is so irritating. The debt will come in karma. What does that mean? Guys, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. How we doing? How we doing? Just to let you know, right? We are building an AI video editor. We're building an AI video editor that does work. And if you want to see the output, you can click on this link. If you want to check out the output. No, I understand, you know, I understand karma, but like what would it pay back? Like, is it bad or is it like good karma? Is that what you're saying? Like if you use his credits, does that give you bad karma? Guys, let's make sure we're being safe about connecting as well. Do not scam each other, please. Guys, would you guys join a Discord? If we had one, would you guys go on a Discord? Bro, are you on Telegram? You never used Discord before? Are you serious? You never used Discord before? Come on, man. Gotta use Discord. It's like if I use his credits, it's buy with his hard-earned money, and I will need in any life forms like later. So you'd have to return it. I see. I see. Okay. Okay. Because you don't want to repay it in another life. Interesting. Okay, okay. Do you know what Indian is famous for? What does that mean? What are Indians famous for? What are Indians famous for? Let me know. I don't want to be what they're doing right now. It's not all good. What is a jugad called in English? What's a jugad? I don't know, man. Let me Google. Guys, what does that mean? I'm being left out here. Okay, okay. Hold on. We're cooking. Jugad means a clever, improvised solution using limited resources, often reflecting creative frugality and resourcefulness. Oh, okay. Interesting. So what would that be in English? I would say that's called frugal. 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 Oh, you meant something else. Okay, wait, why is my other computer crashing? Okay. Well, the computer was crashing. Sorry, AMS member is separated from KBA. Give you things, given you things. Place at the end. Oh. What's KUMBH? Okay, that's wrong. Okay. Redeploy. Okay. Just lost another viewer. Okay. Let's see. Let's keep on building. What is next? Views, browse, direct, suggested, external. Okay. Let's continue. Was that my latest deploy? Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. Okay, I don't see it in there. We take a bath in the holy river, remove our sin. Oh, okay. No, I think there's 2 people. I think you're one of 2. You are not the only one, but I do thank you for being a part of the stream. Oh, actually, no, you are the only viewer. It's all good. Okay. Yes, so let's see. Did it work? Yo, okay, Passion Record. Since you are still viewing, so if I release this software, which I probably will do it very soon, and you're able to create videos, do you think people would be interested in making videos about for $1? Maybe not $1, maybe like 50 cents a piece. So if you make 10 of these documentations, you would get $5. US dollars. I mean, I think that's pretty good deal, no? Am I crazy? He thinks they're all scientific works in psycho. Laksha, you can make this product far better. What are you talking about? Like the actual video? Charge a lot more than I'm thinking? Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna try to make something no one has made yet. Yeah, I mean, no one has made the things that I have made. Right? This YouTube video. No one has made nearly something as good as that. The whole product can be improvised. What do you mean by that? Because generic things, why will someone trust you? Yeah, like why do they think that I would pay them out? Yeah, I mean, I'm a business, so easily can pay people out. I mean, that create an automation that saves people's time. Yeah, for sure. Definitely is what I'm doing. That's definitely what I'm doing. We have to go to the review too. I don't see. Why do I not see the review? Okay, bye, brother. Nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet everybody. Thank you for stopping by as well. All right, welcome new people. Welcome new people. How are we doing? Welcome, welcome. Just looking to enter the code. Confirm. Oh, I see. Okay. For some reason, my admin pin has not been accepted. That's odd. That's odd. That's not. So customer generate, will it use your cloud tokens or will it use to generate how much will it cost for one generation and cost if no customers come? So this is to build my YouTube channel, right? So despite if no customers use it, it's gonna run my YouTube channel. So it makes money despite if people use it or not. Okay, Bobby, no. App pin? Okay, why is this not working? View history? No. Okay. We're gonna edit this. Okay, we're gonna rotate this. Rotate. Redeploy. Okay. We're redeploying. Are you trying to game the system? What system are you talking about? Gaming what system? What does that mean? Space Cowboy though, thank you for joining. Yeah, what do you mean by gaming the system? Not know what system I could be trying to game. YouTube's viewer system to get money. What? But how would I be gaming it? I'm getting normal views. Why would I? No problem with the vagueness. I'm just confused. Like how am I gaming the system? I just make a lot of videos. Guys, is it time to do some push-ups? Is it time to do some push-ups? Oh, my brother's back. Oh, I came from your video where you said making AI viewers. Oh, that thing? No, that was just a joke. That was I made a Twitch chat, like a fake Twitch chat. Yeah, so that's different. Yeah, so today, yeah, we're doing the 24/7 video editor, Space Cowboy. If you want to check out what I do, this is actually what I've been working on for most of the time, and this is where most of my revenue comes from. So I make these types of videos, my 24/7 video editor, and I use like a documentation like this. And I create this documentation, and then my 24/7 video editor makes a video like the one I linked in the chat. Can you ask your Claude to list 5 things that's doing and list 10 things to honestly know it can be improved to make it a SaaS business that a customer to pay you a subscription? Well, the thing is, I don't want to make it a SaaS. That's the thing, though. I don't want to make it a SaaS. It's not a SaaS. It's a content machine that I'm trying to be the hub of all the tutorials. So I'm gonna have as many people as I can to, thank you, it's badass. Hell yeah, my guy. So basically I'm gonna have as many people as possible submit these documentations for anything they want to share, and then it gets published onto my YouTube channel. Why though? For ad revenue, building a brand, blah, blah, blah. Why use Opus instead of ChatGPT or Gemini? Better experience and quality with Opus? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Opus has been good. Yeah, I love me some Opus. I love some Opus. Okay, let me try to make sure that I can see. I rotated out the admin pin, but the one I just did wasn't accepted. Can you check that that the admin side is working well? Okay, let's throw on Mr. Fable. We'll put hi. Why use Opus? What I was saying was sell it as a SaaS and use it without one, selling 20% of what you create. No, but the reason I wouldn't want to sell it as a SaaS is because what is anyone going to even do with the software, right? I mean, I guess maybe make their own YouTube channels, but nah, I'd rather not have that. I'd rather just have my own. Old pin. Rotation. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna. Yeah, it's my brother. Yeah, I mean, I understand what you're saying. I mean, I just don't want it to be a SaaS business. It's a content machine, and it's gonna be utilized by my team, and then utilized by people to just use and build my platform. So it's not gonna be, you got a luxurious house. I mean, it's just a apartment. Are there mosquitoes? Dude, how did you know? Like, I just killed one. That's crazy. That's gross. I did just kill one. Okay, actually, we are going to be wrapping this live stream up. So, if you guys have, thank you all for joining. This has been a great stream. I think it's my biggest stream so far. It's only my third stream ever. So, you know everything. You do meditation. Okay. All right. Very cool. But yeah, thank you all for joining. If you have any other questions, just leave a like, leave anything, leave a comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys all later. But yeah, thanks. Ask your age long ago. You didn't tell me. I'm 29, so I'm 10 years older than you, dog. Okay. All right, everyone. I'll see you all later. Thanks for joining.